Transforming salvaged machine parts into functional art that sells is one of the most powerful and rewarding directions contemporary upcycling can take, because it sits at the intersection of storytelling, durability, sustainability, and high-end design appeal. The advantages begin the moment a creator looks at discarded industrial components, gears worn smooth by decades of rotation, heavy valves marked by heat and pressure, structural steel elements bearing the scars of labor, and chooses to see them not as obsolete scrap, but as material already rich with narrative and visual authority. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Unlike new materials that require artificial distressing or surface treatments to appear authentic, salvaged machine parts arrive with character fully formed. Their patina, weight, and precision-engineered shapes immediately communicate strength and history, which translates directly into perceived value. Buyers are drawn to objects that feel grounded and honest, and industrial relics offer exactly that, a sense that the piece has lived a life before entering the home, making it emotionally compelling rather than merely decorative. This inherent story becomes a powerful selling point, especially in a market increasingly driven by consumers who crave meaning, provenance, and authenticity in what they purchase. From a practical perspective, salvaged machine parts offer unmatched structural integrity, which is a major advantage when crafting functional art. Gears, shafts, bearings, and brackets were originally designed to withstand extreme forces, constant motion, and harsh environments, meaning they far exceed the strength requirements of home decor. When reimagined as table bases, lamp bodies, shelving supports, or sculptural anchors, these components provide not only visual drama, but long-term durability that buyers can trust. This robustness allows creators to confidently design bold, sculptural forms without worrying about fragility, and it reassures customers that the piece is not just visually striking, but built to last. Longevity is a subtle but critical factor in commanding premium prices, because high-end buyers are investing in objects they expect to live with for years, even generations. The design process itself becomes more intuitive and expressive when working with industrial discards, because the forms often suggest their own transformation. A large gear naturally invites reinterpretation as a clock face, wall sculpture, or tabletop element, while a valve body may evolve seamlessly into the base of a steampunk-inspired lamp or candle holder. This reduces the need for excessive fabrication and allows the creator to collaborate with the material rather than impose an entirely foreign design onto it. The result is work that feels organic and intentional, where the original function of the object subtly informs its new identity. This harmony between past and present is something discerning buyers immediately recognize, even if they cannot articulate it fully, and it elevates the piece beyond novelty into the realm of artful design. Economically, working with salvaged machine parts offers significant advantages in material sourcing and profit margins. Industrial discards are often available at low cost or even free, sourced from factories, repair shops, demolition sites, or scrapyards eager to clear space. When these inexpensive raw materials are transformed through thoughtful design, careful cleaning, and refined finishing, the value increase can be dramatic. A piece that begins as scrap metal can become a high-ticket decor item precisely because the labor, vision, and craftsmanship embedded in it are visible and tangible. Buyers are not just paying for the object, they are paying for the transformation, the creativity, and the ethical choice of reuse. This narrative supports higher pricing and helps justify it in the customer's mind, especially when the final piece feels cohesive, balanced, and professionally executed. Another key advantage lies in the aesthetic versatility of industrial machine parts. While they are often associated with rugged, masculine, or steampunk styles, they can be adapted to a wide range of interior design sensibilities. Polished and paired with warm wood, they can feel refined and architectural. Left raw with controlled rust and paired with soft lighting, they can evoke a moody, sculptural presence. Integrated into minimalist forms, they become quiet focal points that add depth without overwhelming a space. This adaptability broadens the potential market and allows creators to target different buyer preferences while still working within the same material category. Functional art made from industrial discards can live comfortably in loft apartments, modern offices, creative studios, and even curated gallery spaces, making it highly versatile from a sales standpoint. The emotional appeal of these pieces is another major selling advantage. In an age dominated by mass-produced objects, functional art crafted from salvaged machine parts feels personal and rare. Each gear, valve, or frame carries unique markings that cannot be replicated, ensuring that no two pieces are exactly alike. This uniqueness creates a sense of ownership and exclusivity for the buyer, who knows they are acquiring something truly one of a kind. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The knowledge that the piece was once part of a working machine adds a layer of fascination and respect, transforming the object into a conversation starter and a symbol of creative reuse. Buyers are often proud to explain the origin of such pieces, which reinforces their emotional attachment and increases perceived value. Sustainability is another powerful advantage that directly influences marketability. Transforming industrial discards into functional art diverts heavy materials from landfills and reduces the demand for newly manufactured decor, which often carries a significant environmental footprint. For eco-conscious consumers, this makes the purchase feel responsible and aligned with their values. For creators, it provides a clear ethical foundation for their work, allowing them to market their pieces as not only beautiful but environmentally meaningful. This alignment between aesthetics and ethics is increasingly important in today's design market, where buyers want their homes to reflect both style and conscience. The tactile and visual presence of salvaged machine parts also enhances their impact as art objects. The weight, coldness, and solidity of metal contrast beautifully with softer elements like wood, fabric, or light, creating dynamic compositions that feel intentional and layered. When used in functional art such as lamps, the industrial components ground the piece, while light introduces warmth and approachability, resulting in a balanced object that feels both powerful and inviting. This balance is crucial for selling functional art because it ensures the piece integrates into living spaces without feeling overly harsh or purely utilitarian. Finally, the act of transforming industrial discards into sellable functional art reinforces the creator's identity as a designer rather than just a maker. It demonstrates vision, problem-solving, and the ability to see beyond original purpose, qualities that resonate strongly with collectors and design-focused buyers. Each finished piece stands as proof that artistry is not limited to pristine materials or traditional forms, but can emerge from the remnants of industry when guided by thoughtful craftsmanship. This perception elevates the creator's brand and supports long-term growth, repeat customers, and higher price points over time. In essence, the advantages of sculpting functional art from salvaged machine parts extend far beyond aesthetics. They encompass durability, storytelling, sustainability, economic efficiency, emotional resonance, and market versatility, all of which contribute to strong sales potential. By honoring the history embedded in industrial discards and transforming them into purposeful, beautifully designed objects, creators tap into a powerful design language that speaks to modern buyers who value authenticity, craftsmanship, and meaningful reuse. The result is functional art that does more than decorate a space. It tells a story, commands attention, and proves that what was once forgotten can become both beautiful and valuable again. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.